Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. And now we will go to the 51st floor to see the view here at the Windham Hotel. Today is the highlight of our 4th day here in Malaysia, here in Genting Highland. And today we are here very early in the morning to see the sunrise. But unfortunately, the weather is not good. Maulap, maambon, and it's cold on top of the mountain and on top of this building in this hotel.
So high. We will go back now. It's so high, cannot see.
On the top of the mountain. So ikot.
It's all on the top of the mountain. Oh.
Listen to yeah.
Yaw ta sek me. Ya ting yu sek ka lang.
This place is the famous spot for picture taking, especially if the weather is nice. I have seen lots of photos on this spot, but unfortunately, the weather is not good today.
This is our buffet breakfast sa kwan pa rin sa above ng ulap. Oh, say hello. Hi Kaya. Hi Sasha.
Ay kaya, ay sasya. So, time to check out. We will go to our next destination. Now we're riding a van going down from the hotel to the cable car. Maulan pa rin and the road is quite slippery. So, medyo dahan-dahan lang. So, time again to ride the cable car. Although this time the weather is not so good, maulan, it's cloudy, and the visibility is really very, very low. And we almost cannot see something outside from the cable car. So, I'm just hoping that everything goes well. So, selfie na lang since we cannot take photos outside, and we're just hoping na soon makababa na kami. Finally, we're on the bus, on the tour bus, and we're heading to our next destination, the Latex Company. So, for the meantime, let's enjoy the beautiful view here at Kuala Lumpur. were here at the latex factory. They showed us the mattresses, the pillows that are made of the finest rubber or the latex, and it's really nice. And now we're having our lunch here at the restaurant Seafood Port. It seems nice. It seems the place is really good. So let's taste the food. This is a Malaysian local restaurant. And the food is really nice. It's really good. There will be a few more meals before we go, so I'm looking forward to have more of Malaysian food in the next meals to come. So, mga lolo, mga lola, mga nanay, mga tatay, mga kapatid at kaibigan, hanggang sa muli, salamat sa pagsama sa Lola Miray at sa Lolo sa aming mga munting paglalakbay. Hanggang sa susunod na araw, sa susunod na video, I'm hoping na muli niyong sasamahan ang lolo at ang lola sa aming paglalakbay. Until then, ingat-ingat everyone. Take care and God bless. Bye!